Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Alessandro and today you are going to see how this tuna is not just fish. This dish is really loved in Italy. You can find it everywhere. Today we are going to eat that with my favorite vegetables in the world, the tomato. The most important thing is that you really take care of the flavor. You smell it, you try it. This particular one, it's really sweet. I love it. Then tuna fillet. This was under oil, really nice one. Garlic, capris, those are going to give you the salty taste. We made those amazing pappardelle. And then chili to give that kick we need. We are going to need parsley. As usually, I love to cut it roughly. I don't like to be precise every time. I'm not making a dessert here, come on. Next, smash it. Really nice virgin olive oil. Then, roughly, put inside. Oh, you can hear the music there. Roughly. I like chili, voila. And now it's the time for fish. You don't want the garlic to burn. Wow, amazing, amazing. Ecco qua il tonno. And now the capris, so they give the salty taste. You take my love tomato, cut it. Be careful, don't cut a prosciutto from your hand. Then you put, oh, yes, inside. The tuna is swimming in the tomato now. They have to combine themselves, help them to combine. Look at that here. A little bit parsley. So I'm sorry, but now we have to change. So this one, look. Pasta water. You put salt on it, but be careful, you have a lot of salt inside here with capris, okay? So don't exaggerate. And now it's time. Oh yes. You don't want that to cook so much, it's fresh. So it maybe 1-2 minutes, okay? You want to take it out when it is al dente, because you want the pasta to take this amazing sauce, right? I'm sorry, but I have only one plate. So look. Whoosh. The secret, it's the water from the pasta. Yes. There. Oh. It's done. Oh God, look at those colors, I love it. Ecco qua, pappardelle, tonno, capperi, datterini. Buon appetito. I mean, you have to come here. Taste it. Right?